How do you make your dreams come true in 2021?
Hey, Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look, man, keep driving that audience. So, Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
New year, new beginning, right? Usually when we start a new year, we make resolutions. We make a list of things we're gonna do for this year. And rarely does anyone ever fulfill what they promised themselves in the beginning of the year, right? This is like very common. In the beginning of the year, you promise yourself you're gonna do something, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna go on diet, you're gonna learn English, you're gonna make more money, you're gonna whatever. And then at the end of the year, nothing happens, right? I want to make sure that does not happen to you again this year. I want to make sure that whatever that you want to do in this fucking year 2021, which probably will be another disastrous year because COVID-19 is still with us. Vaccines are coming, but slowly. So we don't know what will happen. This is gonna be a rocky year nevertheless. I want you to fulfill your dreams in this year. And I want to give you the tools to make that happen. It's so fucking easy. If you just do what I tell you, it will happen. If you don't do what I tell you, it will not happen. It's as simple as that. It will only happen if you follow what I'm about to tell you now. All right? So, let's say you want to learn English, right? Or you want to make more money. Or you want to start a business. Or you want to have 3 wives. I don't know what you want, but anyways, you gotta write down your goals, right? So let me help you with that. So let's say you want to make 23T in 2021. Can you read this? 23T in 2021, all right? So, you know that there are 12 months in 2021, right? And that means about 2T a month. Okay? Everybody follow me? If you want to make 23T in revenue this year, you have to bring in 2T a month. Make sense? If you bring 2T in January, 2T in February, 2T in March, and so on, you will get 24T, which is more than 23T. Capiche? Understand? Right? So you break down your goals. And then that means about 500 million a week. So you have to bring in 500 million dong a week, all right? But you're gonna say, whoa, but that's so hard. How can you bring in 500 million dong a week? Well, I guess depending on what industry you're in. Let's say you're in real estate, okay? Let's say you're in real estate, all right? So let's say, I don't know. Let's say when you sell an apartment, when you sell a house, let's say your commission is 2 to 5% of the house value. If I sell a house that's worth 2T and I get commission at 5%, my commission check is 100 million, okay, for that one house. That means in 1 week, I have to sell how many? 5 houses, right? But you're gonna say, Tom, that's so impossible. How can I sell 5 houses in a week? Well, now you have to build a team. So now, instead of just you doing it, now you have to hire people, you have to build a team, and then maybe you have a team of 10 people, and 2 people have to sell 1 house every week. Then you will make that number, right? And that's how you do it. You just break it down. You just do the math, all right? You do the math so that you figure out what you have to do every day, every week, every month to hit your goals. Let's say you're learning English, all right? I hope this is clear. Let's say you're learning English, all right? So you want to learn, let's say, 600 words in English in 2021. All right, there are 365 days in the year, and if you divide 600 into 365, you just have to learn about 2 words a day. Less than that. If you learn 2 words a day and you remember and memorize it, by the end of the year, you would know more than 600 words. All you have to do is do the math. You have 365 days in a year, and whatever you have to do, divide it. And if it's still too big, consider forming partnerships, forming teams, work with other people to make that goal more realistic. That's all you have to do. That's the first part, okay? That's the first part. If you want to accomplish your goals in 2021, you have to take that goal, break it down by month, by week, by day, what you have to do, okay? And then you have a plan. And every day you just have to do something, and every day you accumulate, and then by the end of the year, you will get what you want. Capiche? Understand? This is how you make things happen, all right? This is the easy part. Taking your goal, breaking it down. The second part is the hard part. It's called discipline, all right? Fucking discipline. Because when you figure out what you have to do, okay? I have to learn 2 words a day. I have to make, let's say, 20 million dong a week. I have to do whatever, okay? This part is easy to figure out. But most people don't have the fucking discipline to do it. They know they have to learn 2 words a day, but they don't have the fucking discipline to do it. Maybe they do it on day 1, maybe they do it on day 2, and on day 3 they got lazy, they got tired, their parents are arguing, their girlfriend is having a period or whatever, right? They forget. Day 3 they drop off. Day 4 they drop off, and then they just say, fuck it, I'm not doing it anymore. That's what happens to most people, all right? They don't have the fucking discipline. This part is easy to figure out. Dividing up your goals into small pieces, what you have to do every day, every week, every month. Anybody can do this. But most people fail here. They don't have the fucking discipline. This is the hardest part. And this is the part you have to master. No matter what. If you're going to learn 2 words a day, you can learn 2 words a day. Nothing will stop you. All right? Even if your girlfriend is sleeping with somebody else, you're still going to learn 2 words a day. All right? Doesn't matter. You gotta have the fucking discipline. No matter what happens, you do it. And when you can do that, your dream comes true. That's all it is, guys, girls, you fucktards. That's all you have to do to make your dreams come true. Breaking down your goals and do it every fucking day. That's all you have to do. That is all you have to do when you fucking listen to me already. But most of you won't do it because you're fucktards. If you just do what I say, 2021 will be a fucking great year for you. I know this is what I do, and I get what I want. This can work for you. But will you do it? No, fuck no, because you're a fucktards. Go take some fucking action. Salespeople, I want to give you additional tips here, right? So you must have a revenue goal. You must know how much money you want to make, right? Let's say it's 20 million dong a week, right? Then you have to figure out what to do. Maybe that means 2 deals. Maybe each deal is 10 million dong, all right? So that means you have to do 2 deals a week. And to do 2 deals a week, you have to make, let's say, 100 calls to get 1 deal. That means 200 calls. You must make 200 calls to get your 2 deals a week so you can make your 20 million dong a week, right? So you just figure out the math. The math is easy. So you know that you have to make 200 calls a day to make the money, right? Figure out the math. The hard part is making the 200 calls. You gotta have the fucking discipline to make those calls, to follow up customers. And you don't stop until you close those deals. Most people, they just call a few people, oh, it's 5 o'clock, it's time to go home, then nothing happens. If you're a real salesperson, if you're a real motivated, driven, want to make a lot of money, you don't stop, guy. You don't stop, girl, right? You just keep calling until you make that deal, make that order. You don't sleep until you make that order. Then that's how you make things happen. That's how you make sales. That's how you're gonna make money. Take fucking action. Don't be a fucktard.